Everybody, so Robinhood had a 14% rally. Right now they're only at 13.5%. I bet they peaked a little bit more though. Let's see. Yeah, they had a massive rally after the market opened. The reason for this is because they're going to be added to the S&P, and people always try to mirror it with their certain strategies. So if I'm tracking an index, I want to balance my portfolio to follow that index, which is going to force people to end up buying more shares of Robinhood. For Robinhood, I will be having a short format and a longer format to show you how I entered in it and how I was able to catch this rally. I own Robinhood under 100 per share in 2 portfolios, and I own them under $50 a share in my third portfolio, or my long-term one. I don't want to focus on my long-term portfolio. Instead, I just want to talk about how I was able to enter under $100 per share despite price not really visiting down there in recent times. So I was able to trigger in there. The downside to activating my trade under $100 per share is that my profit cap is actually at 104 and 105. Sorry guys, had to take a brief break there to get something printed for you guys. The reason my profit caps are at 104 and 105, they're actually just at 104. The reason they're at 104 is because I own covered calls. I wanted to reduce the average price per share that I had, so I did that by collecting premium on covered calls. On top of that, last week we saw Robinhood was kind of in this downwards channel, so I didn't want to risk a huge drop because I couldn't find any close levels, and I didn't want to get stuck with my shares. The safe price dropped all the way down here. This would have been almost $2,000 in drawdown per 100 shares, and that is not something that I wanted to hold on to. I wanted to play it a little safer and be able to reduce my average price to right around here, and I was targeting right up here. This week, unfortunately, I was not able to capture this additional 1,000 per 100 shares because I'm capped out around here, but at the same time, I'm happy to make around 500 per 100 shares or 500 per contract. So although I am missing out on a little bit of profit, it's okay because I'm just happy that I ended up in the green with a trade that I wasn't that certain about to begin with. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And in the future, I will be diving more into this strategy as it is more so what I do on a day-to-day basis. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.